Nothing ruins a drive faster than a hot car and a weak AC. Here's why your Tiguan's air conditioner might not be working. First off, the most common culprit is low refrigerant. If your AC is blowing warm, you might have a leak somewhere in the system. Without enough refrigerant, the compressor just can't do its job. Next, check the AC compressor clutch. If it doesn't click on when you turn the AC, the clutch might be faulty, or there could be an electrical problem, like a blown fuse or bad relay. Sometimes it's just a simple fix. Another reason? Worn-out compressor. Over time, these parts can fail, especially if your car has high mileage. When the compressor goes, the whole AC system stops cooling. Don't forget about the serpentine belt. If it's loose or broken, the compressor won't spin and your AC won't work. Lastly, dirty or clogged condenser coils can block airflow and stop your AC from cooling properly. Sometimes a quick clean is all you need. So, low refrigerant, electrical problems, worn parts, loose belt, or dirty coils, these are the usual suspects. If you're not sure what's wrong, it's always best to have a mechanic check it out. Stay cool out there.